Hello, everyone. My name is Yaron David, and I'm the CEO of LifeCord. LifeCord developed a minimal invasive approach for an open heart surgery chordal repair treatment to bring a transcatheter alternative to low-risk patients. So, as we know, mitral regurgitation is separated into two main groups. One of them is functional, the other one is degenerative. The most common finding in degenerative is elongation of the cords or even rupture of those cords. It affects 2% of the population, and out of the degenerative, out of the mitral world, 45% is degenerative. But unfortunately, there is no really good way to fix those cords, and right now, the only option to fix those cords is open heart surgery. Right now, in the US market, we're talking about around 200,000 new diagnosed DMR patients, adults, each year, and out of that, around 14% is in a high risk, meaning those patients right now cannot really do any open heart surgery and cannot really be treated for chordal repair. But we know from previous works that minimal invasive options are really good and shows lower morbidity and mortality. So this is why I want to present LifeCord. So LifeCord is a transseptal approach. We're going to go through the septum and go down into the left ventricle. We're going to clip on the leaflet, and then we're going to go down with our anchor into the and attach it into the ventricle wall. After that, we're going to actually optimize the length between the clip and the anchor in order to optimize the regurgitation. And the last thing that we need to do is actually cut the remains of the wire and go out. And there you have it. This is LifeCord. So we have some really cool features here. And I think the most important ones is that we're able to reposition our clip. By reposition, if we need to move the clip to actually get a better or optimize regurgitation, we can do that. The reason that we can actually move the clip is not because it's only 9-0, it's also because we are actually not puncturing the leaflet. So by moving it, we're not harming the tissue at all. With adding those two parts together, we're actually keeping the anatomical structure, and because this device is very, very small, we're actually giving also an option for future intervention if we need that. So we already did extensive testing. We did a fatigue testing and a GLP acute and chronic studies that showed tremendous results in animals, and we're looking forward to move forward to our first-in-human trials. In 2025, we're going to do our first-in-human trial and EFS in 2026. We have already established two DRG codes that the average of them is around $40,000. When we look at the market size, of course, the market size is big, but the idea is actually to go from those high-risk patients, get the efficacy, and then move to the moderate and even to the low-risk patients and be really first line of treatment to those patients and not needing to go on an open heart surgery. Our product is highly protected. We have 21 patent families We're protected from the proximal to the distal end, and we feel very confident about the technology. We have a very experienced team, Tomer, who runs the R&D and his team, and a multinational team of physicians that actually validate the technology and help us improve the technology. To summarize, we're actually addressing here a major unmet need. The unmet need is to eliminate the need for surgery, to eliminate the need to do an open heart surgery. We're going to start with those high-risk patients, and we're going to move to the low-risk patients because we feel that this technology can actually do that and still give an option for future intervention. We did an amazing de-risking to the technology, and right now we're raising a round of $9 million. Out of that, already $5 million is secured. So if you want to join us, please do. Thank you very much.